Email verification failed on Nutmeg Fix. If your Nutmeg email verification isn't working, you're not alone. The surprising truth is that most verification issues aren't caused by Nutmeg itself. They're usually due to minor errors in your email browser or device settings. Start by carefully checking your email address. A small typo, missing character, or extra space can prevent the verification email from arriving. Accuracy here is key. Next, inspect every folder in your inbox, including spam, junk promotions, and any custom folders. Automated emails from Nutmeg can easily be filtered incorrectly by Gmail, Outlook, or Yahoo. Click the verification link as soon as you find it, because these links often expire quickly. If the email hasn't arrived, request a new verification link from Nutmeg. For most users, resending the email solves the issue immediately. Sometimes the problem is related to your browser or device. Clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use the Nutmeg mobile app. Security extensions or ad blockers may block emails, so disabling them temporarily can help. Certain email providers may block automated messages completely. In this case, register with a different email address, preferably Gmail or Outlook, which are more reliable for verification emails. Finally, if nothing works, contact Nutmeg support. Explain that your email verification failed despite checking folders, resending the link, and trying different devices. Support can manually verify your account, giving you access without delay. Remember, double-check your email, inspect all folders, resend the link if necessary, try another browser or device, and contact support if needed. Following these steps usually resolves verification issues quickly, letting you start using Nutmeg immediately.